Can you really make Setmore yours? Not just a scheduling tool, but an extension of your brand, a seamless part of your client experience? That's the question we're diving into today, because while Setmore is incredibly powerful right out of the box, its true magic often lies in the ways you can bend and shape it to fit your unique business needs. Think about it for a moment. You've invested in Setmore, or you're considering it, because you understand the immense value of streamlined appointment booking. No more phone tag, no more double bookings, just a clean, efficient system that frees up your time and delights your clients. But what if your business has a specific workflow, a particular aesthetic, or a unique set of services that don't quite fit the standard mold? What if you want your booking page to echo your website's design, or your automated messages to speak directly in your brand's voice? This isn't just about functionality. It's about identity. It's about ensuring that every touchpoint your client has with your business, from their initial interest to their post-appointment follow-up, feels cohesive and professional. Many people use software as is, assuming that customization is either too complex, too time-consuming, or simply not an option. But with Setmore, that couldn't be further from the truth. The platform is designed with a surprising degree of flexibility, allowing you to tailor everything from the visual elements of your booking page to the operational intricacies of your appointment types. And that's what we're going to explore in depth today. We'll uncover the hidden gems within Setmore settings, revealing how you can transform a generic scheduling page into a powerful, branded hub that not only takes bookings but also reinforces your professionalism and commitment to a top-tier client experience. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your Setmore account, because by the end of this video, you'll see just how much control you truly have. Let's start with the most visible aspect, your booking page. This is often the first impression a new client has of your scheduling process. Setmore provides a standard template, but you don't have to stick with it. You can upload your own logo, instantly aligning the booking page with your brand's visual identity. But it goes deeper than that. You can choose a custom accent color that matches your brand palette, ensuring a consistent look and feel with your website and other marketing materials. Beyond colors and logos, you can also add a business description, providing a concise overview of your services and what clients can expect. Think of this as a mini landing page designed specifically for booking, and every element you add or customize contributes to a stronger, more professional presence. Now, let's talk about the actual services you offer. Setmore allows you to list various services, but you can customize each one individually. This is where a lot of businesses miss out on opportunities. For each service, you can set a unique duration, price, and even add a detailed description. This description isn't just for your benefit. It's crucial for your clients. Use this space to clearly articulate what the service entails, who it's for, and any prerequisites or expectations. For example, if you offer a consultation, you might specify what information clients should have ready. If it's a fitness class, you might list the equipment needed. These details reduce client confusion and improve satisfaction. Furthermore, you can assign specific staff members to certain services, ensuring that clients can book with the expert they need. This level of granularity ensures that your booking process is not only efficient but also highly accurate. Moving beyond services, let's discuss your staff. Setmore allows you to add multiple staff members, each with their own availability and services. But the customization here is more than just names and email addresses. You can upload a profile picture for each staff member, adding a personal touch that builds trust with clients. You can also write a brief bio for each staff member, highlighting their expertise and personality. This is particularly valuable for service-based businesses where clients often choose providers based on their skills and rapport. Think about a hair salon. Seeing a stylist's work and reading a quick bio can significantly influence a client's decision. For a consultancy, highlighting a consultant's specializations can attract the right clients. Moreover, individual staff members can manage their own working hours and even block out personal time, giving them control over their schedule within the broader business framework. This empowers your team while maintaining overall organizational efficiency. One of Setmore's most powerful, yet often underutilized, customization features lies within its notifications. The automated email and SMS reminders that Setmore sends are a godsend for reducing no-shows. But did you know you can fully customize the content of these messages? This is a huge opportunity for branding. Instead of generic messages, you can inject your brand's voice, add specific instructions, or even include links to helpful resources. For example, if you're a photographer, your reminder email could include a link to a guide on how to prepare for a photo shoot. If you're a therapist, it might include a reminder about your cancellation policy. You can also customize the subject lines to make your messages stand out in a crowded inbox. This transforms standard operational messages into valuable client communication, reinforcing your brand and providing a more tailored experience. Beyond the core functionalities, Setmore offers integrations that expand its customization capabilities even further. Want to accept payments directly through your booking page? Integrate with Stripe or Square. This streamlines the payment process, making it incredibly convenient for your clients and ensuring you get paid promptly. Need to manage client data more effectively? Integrate with a CRM system. Want to connect with other business tools? Setmore offers various integrations with popular apps like Zapier, allowing you to create custom workflows and automate tasks between Setmore and other platforms you use. This means you can, for example, automatically add new Setmore clients to your email marketing list or create a task in your project management software every time a specific service is booked. These integrations transform Setmore from a standalone booking tool into a central hub that connects seamlessly with your broader business ecosystem. Consider the Setmore mobile app as another layer of customization. While not customization in the traditional sense of changing colors or text, the mobile app customizes the way you interact with your scheduling. It puts your entire booking system in your pocket, allowing you to manage appointments, view your schedule, and even book new appointments on the go. This means you can offer immediate booking options to clients, even when you're away from your desk. This flexibility and accessibility are invaluable for busy professionals and contribute to a more personalized and responsive client experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.